Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour With AI. Crypto markets are witnessing a structural pivot as Zoomex launches Zoomex Stocks, a new initiative designed to bridge the gap between digital assets and traditional finance. This platform targets traders seeking alpha in range-bound markets, specifically capitalizing on Bitcoin's current bearish technical setup. By tokenizing equities, Zoomex aims to unlock liquidity in a sector that has seen stagnation, offering a novel vector for capital deployment amidst broader crypto volatility. In the banking sector, capital preservation has taken precedence over shareholder returns. BCB Bancorp, BCBP, has suspended its quarterly dividend, a move that signals caution regarding its balance sheet health. The market reacted swiftly, with shares dropping 1.9% to close at $10.85 after hours on June 19, 2026. This halt underscores the ongoing pressure on regional lenders to maintain capital buffers in an uncertain interest rate environment. On the macro front, global monetary policy divergence continues to widen. Russia's central bank cut its key rate to 14.25%, citing mounting budget pressures and risks to fuel supplies. This decision reflects the deepening economic isolation Moscow faces, as inflation remains sticky and capital flight accelerates. The rate cut is a defensive maneuver, attempting to stimulate growth while managing the fiscal deficits that have become increasingly difficult to finance. Meanwhile, the private equity landscape is undergoing significant revaluation. SpaceX has hit a staggering $135 per share valuation, sparking debate over whether this price reflects genuine price discovery or passive fund mechanics. As passive flows increasingly dictate asset allocation, the dynamics of index inclusion and active manager pricing are being tested. This valuation surge highlights the intense demand for space infrastructure assets, even as traditional valuation metrics struggle to keep pace with speculative enthusiasm. In related news, geopolitical realignment is reshaping trade flows. Turkey and Germany have deepened their economic ties, with bilateral trade volume reaching $52 billion. Ministers Şimşek and Reich discussed expanded cooperation in defense, energy, and digital transformation. This partnership signals a strategic shift in European supply chains, reducing reliance on traditional energy imports and fostering new industrial alliances in the face of global instability. Looking ahead to today's release, the economic calendar remains relatively quiet with no major high-impact data points scheduled for the next 36 hours. Traders are likely to focus on corporate earnings and geopolitical developments rather than macroeconomic indicators. The absence of significant data releases means that market movements will be driven by sentiment and structural narratives rather than fundamental surprises. Investors should monitor the implications of Russia's rate cut on global commodity markets and the potential ripple effects of SpaceX's valuation on the broader tech sector. The suspension of BCB Bancorp's dividend serves as a reminder of the fragility in the regional banking system, while Zoomex's entry into tokenized equities offers a glimpse into the future of asset digitization. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour With AI for daily market intelligence.